So today we're going to be testing the Moonraker Master and Portable. Mr Chippie has gone out with it in his car. He's going to go on our usual test route, and at each of the points he would normally call in, he's going to get out of his car, pull up the telescopic aerial and use the handheld. He's taken the company body cam.
Right, I'm in position the first one, so I'll get the camera on and swap it out.
Roger on that. He's taken the company body camera with him, and so we're going to be looking at that footage. And I'm using the Rotel 230 here as the test radio because this one's calibrated.
Mr Chippie, calling Tango 21, are you receiving?
Yes, Tango 21 receiving Mr Chippie. Okay, I've got you at the quarry just before you go down to Wilsford, Roger.
Yeah, top of the hill. Did you receive my note?
Sorry, just had to turn the squelch down, over.
Yeah, I'm at the top of the hill. Over.
Now you're talking a bit close to that. It's probably because you've got a lot of wind. Just go again because you're very bassy into it, over.
Yeah, I'm at the top of the hill, not the quarry, over.
Got you at the top of the top of the hill by the quarry, over. Roger. Now it's a very windy day, and that's not ideal. Tango 21 receiving. Go ahead, over. Roger, I'm receiving you at Scratchy Corner. Roger, I'll pick you up at the next one. Well, that wasn't bad on a handheld for Scratchy Corner. Roger, I've got you near to Wilsford Level Crossing. That's very good. Roger. That puts him about 3 miles away now, and again, as ever, it's the wrong side of a hill. Tango 21, Mr Chippie, is that you, over? Roger, just receiving you at the level crossing at Kelby. Okay then, I'll catch you at the next one. So that's now him 4 miles away, and that's pretty scratchy, but of course that's the idea, and that's one of our worst points. Some of the new CPT only sets don't actually pick up there. Tango 21, I can just tell that's you. You tell me where you are now, over. Okay, I've got you that you're near the Greyleys turn, over. Okay, so if you do the Roresby level crossing one, and that concludes it, over. Okay. So that would be readability 2. But I was able to hear that he was saying he was at the Greyleys turn. So that's him 5 miles away. Tango 21, Mr Chippie. So you're now at the 6 mile point at Roresby, over. Okay, well we've done it. It's barely readable at this end, but if you'd like to return to base, and we'll swap some radios over. Okay, Tango 21 out. Well, he got the 6 mile point. So the last 3 were scratchy. That was a bit better than his previous point, but of course that's terrain. This is why we go in that direction. So that's the Moonraker Master hand portable on its own batteries, on its own telescopic aerial. So we're going to swap it over. He's going to come back. Then I'm going to talk to him. I'm going to send him back out there. And we're going to talk to him again, but using that radio at this end.